We're going to explain how to add FXP files to FL Studio. 1. First, understand what an FXP file is. It's a preset file containing saved settings for effects in FL Studio. These presets can save you tons of time, letting you instantly load complex effect chains instead of recreating them. 2. Locate your FXP file. Usually, you'll download them from online resources or get them with a particular plugin. Find the FXP file on your computer. Remember where it is. 3. Open FL Studio. Launch FL Studio, the program you use to make music. 4. Choose your destination. We'll be adding the FXP file to a specific channel or effect. To illustrate, let's say you want this FXP preset for a particular channel's mixer effect. Select that mixer track. 5. Open the relevant effect. In our example, this means locating the effect on the channel where you want to apply the preset. Double-click the effect slot to open it. 6. Look for the Load Preset or similar option. Most effects in FL Studio have a button or menu option to load presets. The wording might be slightly different depending on the effect. You might see things like Load, Import, or a drop-down menu with preset mentioned. 7. Find and select your FXP file. Use the file browser window that appears when you choose the Load Preset option. Navigate to the folder where you saved your FXP file earlier. Select the FXP file and click Open. 8. The preset is loaded. FL Studio will now load all the settings from the FXP file into the currently selected effect. You should now see the effect's parameters change to match those in the preset. 9. Test your FXP. Play your project and listen to see if the effect sounds as expected. You can adjust the settings further to fine-tune them to your liking. 10. If the FXP file doesn't work, double-check that you're using the correct plugin that corresponds to the FXP file. Some FXP files are made for specific effects, so loading the wrong one into a different plugin won't work. Also, ensure you have the compatible plugin installed in FL Studio. If it still doesn't work, there may be an incompatibility issue, in which case you may need to look for another preset or contact the creator of the FXP. 11. Organizing your presets. Once you've got a collection of FXP files, organizing them into dedicated folders makes finding them easier in the future. You might have a folder for each type of effect, like reverb presets or delay presets. Keeping them neat and tidy keeps your workflow efficient. That's it. You've successfully added your FXP file to FL Studio. Remember, the exact steps might vary slightly depending on the effect plugin and version of FL Studio.